Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. Today, we're diving into an exciting feature of the BingX platform, copy trading. If you're looking to elevate your trading game effortlessly, you're in the right place. BingX copy trading is designed for traders of all levels. Whether you're a novice just starting out or an experienced trader looking to enhance your strategies, this feature allows you to automatically replicate the trades of successful traders. Imagine the potential of leveraging their expertise while you focus on other things. So, how does BingX copy trading work? It's simple. Once you create your account on BingX, you can browse a variety of top traders based on their performance metrics. You can view their trading history, success rates, and strategies. With just a few clicks, you can choose a trader to copy, and their trades will be mirrored in your account in real time. But what makes BingX copy trading stand out? Firstly, it eliminates the guesswork from trading. You don't need to spend hours analyzing charts or market trends. You can trust the skills of seasoned traders to guide your investments. Secondly, it fosters a community of traders. You'll not only gain insights from others, but also engage with a vibrant network passionate about trading. Now, here's where it gets even better. By using the referral code CHUCHU when signing up, you unlock exclusive benefits. You'll receive bonuses and discounts that enhance your trading experience, making it a win-win situation. With these perks, you can start your trading journey with a boost. In conclusion, BingX copy trading is your ticket to smarter, more efficient trading. Don't miss the opportunity to learn from the best while enjoying the process. So make sure to use referral code CHUCHU when you join BingX and unlock your full trading potential today. Thank you for tuning in to Crypto Kickstart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content on cryptocurrency and trading. Happy trading!